This one now is it?
Pigtick.
Pigtick, also called
Yes.
Neverdie.
Neverdie.
I know that one. I know that one.
Yes.
Give me a thumbs up for that, guys.
Yes.
The Neverdie. We use it
This
to
is
make
one of
posts.
the very good for relieving cough and cold.
Another one.
Yes. And
Okay.
not only in Jamaica, but other places. as
World
well.
over.
Yes.
That's a Neverdie. What you call it again?
Pigtick.
Pigtick or Neverdie.
Yeah, has a strong scent.
Yeah. Oh, that's strong. So we make tea with it as well.
Yes.
Cool.